AMAMOCHO limubwatiraniti omugavana Amos Nyaribo ase ogosuguma kulika abakori emirimo ime county ya Nyamira maminja nelichiko naboigo gotabwatia budget ye county eyo.
Excellency Amos Nyaribo presided over and influenced the approval of recruitment of staff without an approved budget as demonstrated in county executive minutes MIN number 04/02/2021 of 26 February 2021 in his response to an inquiry from the Controller of Budget. This recruitment was approved by the county executive with full knowledge that there was no budgetary provision. In the said response to issue number 4 in the question, the governor alleged that in lieu of the budget, the recruitment was based on the savings made from various separations, which included but not limited to recruitment and resignations. 2, despite a resolution of a county assembly to freeze new employments on account of lack of budgetary provision for any recruitment dated 1st July 2021, which freezing was never vacated by a resolution of the county assembly. 3, further, in spite of an advisory from the Secretary of the County Public Service Board dated 29 July 2021 to the county executive to put the impurged recruitment in abeyance, considering that there is no budgetary provision for any new recruitment. 4, His Excellency Amos Nyaribo has to date proceeded with a recruitment frenzy that has ballooned the county wage bill, making it unsustainable, irresponsible, and imprudent, contrary to the provisions of the Public Finance Management Act 2012. 5, the governor's influence over the recruitment of hundreds of staff without budget in defiance of ESCC advisory and county assembly resolutions for political expediency and personal gain constitutes a clear abuse of office aimed at fiscal plunder and violation of constitutional values and principles of governance.